Here's a look outside of our studio windows here above Huddy Park in downtown Toms River. We're going to take you outside in just a moment, but as you can see, not much traffic and reduced visibility. You can't even see across the park there, and the storm continues, snow and wind, and we're going to give you a look at what it's like outside on the streets if you haven't been out in the storm yet. All right, here we are, folks. We're outside of our studios here, downtown Toms River, and I want you to get a shot of the flags up there because you can see how the winds are blowing and the snow is almost going sideways. What we're seeing here at our Town Square studios is we're starting to see wind and making drifts out here today. So it really is beginning to pile up out here. You don't see very many cars out on the roads either, but as you can see, the snow is coming down and it is almost sideways here with the winds that are coming down. So if you don't have to be out today, today is a day to stay inside and just sit back and listen to the radio. If you need more information, check out our website at WOBM.com. And I'm going to head back in before I become a literal snowman out here. But the blizzard of 2018 just getting underway. We got a lot more snow to go here, and we're going to keep you up to date with WOBM.